Every so often, I like to send out a big promo code to the people who are on my email list for 40 or 50% off all of my courses for a limited period of time. Normally, I keep these promo codes private between only people who've bought my courses before, but this time I've decided to make it public so everyone can take advantage of the offer. For the next few days until my new course goes live, you can get 50% off any of my standalone courses on my Gumroad page if you use the code QUICK50. Now, I don't know exactly when this new course is going to be posted, but once it goes live, I will be deactivating this offer. So I suggest you take advantage of it now if you're interested in any of my courses. I have quite a large variety of different courses covering many topics on my Gumroad page. If you buy any course, you get not only the original course itself, but you get any updates that have been added since and any updates that will be added to that course in the future. I like to regularly update my courses with new modules, and quite a few of my courses are actually now more than double the length that they were when they originally went up for sale. So first up is Isometric Spaces, a beginner-friendly course where I teach you step-by-step how to make retro-style isometric diorama scenes in Blender. The first module covered a cozy kitchen scene. I followed that up with a cyberpunk hacker's room, and just this week there was a brand new module about a retro style 80s arcade. This course is very beginner friendly. As long as you know the basic Blender interface, you should have no problem following along. The Essential Topology Guide is my most popular and highest rated course. In this tutorial series, I go through all of the basics that I think every 3D modeler should know about how to handle topology. If you're tired of dealing with really messy models, or you have bad shading, or you ever encounter complex shapes that you don't know how to make without messing up the model, this is the tutorial series for you. Over dozens of different videos, I give practical examples of how I would model very complex shapes, and I especially like to break down very common problems that people encounter, such as how to mesh two different shapes together. The aim of the Essential Material Guide is to show you everything that I think artists should know about the shader system in Blender. If you would like to make nice, photorealistic and complex materials using only nodes in Blender, then this is definitely the course for you. Once again, I have practical examples of very common materials and different methods which you can use together to produce any materials that you would like in Blender. The Interior Masterclass is a more intermediate level series of videos where I try to show artists what my workflow is in Blender. These aren't follow-along tutorials. I don't necessarily expect you to try and make what I'm making in the tutorials, although some people have done that. It's more about showing you how I actually work in Blender. So I start from scratch with an idea for an interior scene, and I record my whole process with commentary until we end up with the final product. That course has 3 modules so far. I also have an exterior masterclass, which is the exact same thing, only for exterior architecture scenes. That one also has 3 modules. I have 2 different bundle deals that contain 2 courses each. The Quick 50 code won't work on these bundles as they're already discounted. However, if you use the code BUNDLE40, you will essentially get 2 courses for the price of 1. And finally, anybody who uses this code from now until the time that the new course is released, I will send an email with an additional promo code so you can get your hands on the new course for cheaper. So I believe that covers just about everything. I'll leave a link in the description and in a pinned comment where you can find the promo codes and a link to all of my different courses. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and have a good week.